Did you know kettlebell swings can revolutionize both your muscle growth and digestion? Watch how this powerful exercise transforms your whole body. Traditional weightlifting focuses on isolated movements, but kettlebell swings engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, triggering intensive muscle fiber activation throughout your posterior chain. The explosive hinge movement not only builds strength but also increases blood flow to your digestive organs, enhancing nutrient absorption and metabolic function. Research shows that regular kettlebell training can improve core stability by up to 70%, while promoting healthy digestion through rhythmic breathing patterns. For those recovering from injuries, kettlebell swings can be modified using lighter weights and adjusted ranges of motion. Start with a quarter swing focusing on form, then progressively increase the load and movement amplitude as strength develops. This adaptive approach maintains the exercise's benefits while protecting vulnerable areas and supporting the healing process. Double tap if you've tried kettlebell swings. What changes have you noticed in your fitness journey?